Fix it fast. Steam function not steaming in your Instant Pot Duo? Food coming out undercooked? Or the pot not building pressure? Here's exactly what's going wrong and how to fix it. Step 1. Add enough water to create steam. The Duo 60 needs at least 1 cup of water in the inner pot to steam properly. The Duo 80 needs at least 1.5 cups. Without enough liquid, the pot cannot generate steam or build pressure. Add water or broth to the bottom of the pot before you start. Step 2. Make sure the steam release handle is set to sealing. The steam function cooks under pressure, not like a traditional stovetop steamer. If the handle is set to venting, steam escapes, pressure won't build, and your food won't cook. Turn the steam release handle to sealing before pressing steam. Step 3. Use a steamer basket to lift food above the water. Your food needs to sit above the water level so it steams instead of boils. Use a steamer basket, the metal trivet that came with your Duo, or a steamer rack. Place it in the pot first, add water below it, then put your food on top. I've linked a quality steamer basket in the description. Step 4. Don't overfill the steamer basket. If you pack the basket too full, steam cannot circulate properly and food cooks unevenly. Leave space between pieces for steam to flow. If you have too much food, steam it in 2 batches instead. Step 5. Adjust the time for what you're steaming. The steam button defaults to 10 minutes on high pressure. Press steam repeatedly to cycle between less, which is 3 minutes, normal, which is 10 minutes, and more, which is 15 minutes. Or use the plus and minus buttons to set your own time. Most vegetables only need 0 to 3 minutes because they start steaming while the pot builds pressure. Step 6. Use quick release when steaming finishes. After the timer ends, turn the steam release handle to venting immediately. If you leave it sealed and wait for natural release, your food keeps cooking from the residual heat and pressure. Vegetables will turn to mush. Quick release stops the cooking right away. If your Duo still won't steam after checking water level and valve position, or if the float valve never pops up, the sealing ring may be damaged or missing. Check the ring is properly installed. Contact Instant Pot support using the link in the description if the problem continues. If this helped you get the steam function working and cook perfect vegetables, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a steamer basket that fits the Duo perfectly, I've linked the one I use below. It's the right height to keep food above water and has handles for easy removal when steaming is done. Thanks for watching, and now you can steam without the guesswork.